Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about hair wash day. But before we get started, please subscribe. Yeah, what we're gonna be using today for the hair wash is gonna be a spray bottle, a comb, towel, and this shampoo, coconut oil. The big coconut oil is here actually. Coconut oil, organic coconut oil, and I think that is it for now, because we're just doing like I'm just washing her hair for now. So what I do is, so her hair was in the braids, and then I took it out. So now I put them like this, because when I wash her hair get really tangled, and I have to comb it, and she's gonna cry a lot. So I like to do her hair like this. But before, I'm gonna take them apart and then put the coconut oil on the scar and massage it really good, and then get them back to this braids like this before washing it. She's gonna cry a little. The reason why I don't like to do it most of the time on camera, because she cries a lot. She's very sensitive when it comes to her hair, and I don't like to see her cry on the camera. So now what we do is, I just pour I kind of like warm it up a little bit. I'm not using comb, because if I use the comb, we're not gonna continue with this video. So I'm just using my hand and do it slowly. And the reason why I use the coconut oil before putting the shampoo, when I'm done washing her hair, it's kind of like soft and shiny, and I really like the way like when you touch it, the way it feels and everything. So that's why I like using coconut oil. Hey, can you give me water? Warm water, like really, really warm. I want to put some of the coconut oil inside to melt, and then I use it. I don't know why I didn't make that much. Just put it in the microwave. Water is here. Oh, you can use the tap water. Just use the tap water. Yep. So I'm gonna massage it like whenever I'm massaging Melanie's head, she just like wanna fall asleep. She goes like she feels so tired. Just wanna go to sleep. Ah, Melanie, I like head massage. Oh God, I don't know if there's anyone out there who loves head massage like me. Hassan, do the coffee cup, please. Open the hot water. Just open the tap, and then let it get really, really hot, and then you can get it from there. And then now, take the spray bottle, spray the hair. Oh, the water is cold, my baby. Sorry. My baby. The water is a little bit cold. You okay? Boo boo?
Okay, keep drinking.
Don't pour the hot water on her, Hassan. It's not hot? Hey, Hassan, I said, oh, leave the tap running so it can be really warm, because I need to melt the coconut oil. I need more. Okay. Please.
I'll put extra hot water.
Oh, just place it in the microwave. I don't want to wait. When you're dealing with a kid that likes to cry when it comes to her hair, you want to do it fast. Oh my god. Miley shampoo. It smells so good. Mayel, how did I get it from that store? Mayel shampoo. How did I get it from that store? How did? Wow, that's gonna be it. It's Masha. Yeah, they don't do well, once in a while they bring shampoo, but they don't do like the whole set of it like the way Walmart do it and Target. So I just find one. Oh my god, it smells so good. I might even buy more. I just like, oh my god, it really smells good. Place it there. Sorry. There. I'm scared. Don't come close. There. Okay, thank you. Don't bring your craziness in my close to us. So now I'm gonna put it back the way it was before. This is gonna save me time and the tangle, everything is gonna save me from too much combing and too much work. Woo. Next. She's on my phone. That's why she's not crying for right now. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. She just don't like the comb. That's what I have noticed. She don't like the comb. I am being really, really gentle. With her being sensitive, if I'm not gentle, trust me, she's gonna be screaming. She's gonna let me know that I'm not gentle on her hair. So now we can go and get it done. And get it done. And get it done. And in your head, you enjoy it. So this is how I wash it.
Why are you gonna go on my eye and
See, she's smart. She said if she don't close her eyes, the water is gonna go in her eyes and it's gonna hurt. So this is how I wash her hair. And then from there we do the shower. Wow, the coconut oil really makes a difference. It just makes her hair feel so good. You okay? Put your head up. This is the last washer. That is it, guys. That is how I wash her hair. So guys, we're done with her hair. The reason why I didn't get to like video that, because she was screaming here and there. I didn't want to put her on the camera when she's crying. I would just feel bad. I didn't want her to cry. But yeah, this is what we did today. It took me like 2.5 hours because I have to wash her hair, I have to dry it. She have that deep curls, so I have to use we have the thing that I use on her hair. It's really good. It don't cut her hair, just make it straight, and it's easy to do the braids and stuff. So that's what I use, and that takes me like 45 minutes just to do that, because I have to be very careful and gentle so she won't cry. We did that before doing the braids. And also I feel like when you just wash your hair and do braids, it hurts a little bit. So that's why it took me this long. In all, it took me 2.5 hours or more, I think. But yeah, this is the birthday hair that we got done, and I love it. I really love it. I have to do this because I didn't want to do small braids on her. So I have to do big braids and just get done with it. It's a kid that cries. You want to like do it really fast. Yeah, she's moving around a lot. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and share. And also turn on the notification bell so you can see more of our videos. Bye.